Hello everyone, so today I have NCT 127's Hello Seoul Photobook, which I will be unboxing, and I'm also filming in a different place. I'm trying to experiment here, and also I'm aware that this photobook has been around for a while, but I don't know, it just felt really special to me. It's so beautiful, so I wanted to open it on camera. Anyways, I will just skip to the unboxing. So first, oh my, it's so heavy and big, but here is a view of the photo book. The back of it's like really pretty. I don't know, I just find like the drawing really cute. And then here's the spine. This is like thick, y'all. Like, I don't really own a lot of photo books, but this is like really, really big. But anyways, yeah. I have a very cute box cutter that I am very proud of. It just makes unboxing a lot more fun. I'm really scared I'm gonna damage the photo book though. Trying to open this. There we go. Oh my, this is... Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, okay. I think these are like cards or something. Oh my gosh. Wait, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. When I saw the win-win one, I freaked out a little bit. Okay. Honestly, these are all cute though. Like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I need to process this. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. And here are the backs. These are actually so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Wow. Wow. Whew. Here is the other one. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty though. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay. These are just so pretty. I can't. Oh, oh my gosh. Swag. These are actually so. Okay. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Okay. Okay. I think I might need like another 5 minutes to process that. Oh my gosh. That was so pretty. Oh my gosh. Why do they have to look so good, man? Oh, I just realized, is this Neo Pearl Champagne? Oh my god, this is, hold up. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Hold up. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, they look so good. Oh my gosh. And this photo book is so big. I'm not used to a photo book being this big. Literally just seeing such beautiful images of them like in this high quality, it just saved me. Oh my gosh. Yo, oh my gosh. Oh, pop. Yo. Oh my gosh. Oh. They look so happy. there's I can't explain the heaviness from this photo book right now. Oh my gosh. They look so good. They look... Oh my gosh. Jung! Oh my gosh. Just the sun, this everything. Thank you, Jung. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Their smiles. Literally, I live for their smiles. Their smiles here have already made my day. Oh my gosh. Literally. Oh. I love how tails are the only like feet that are in the air, and then everyone else. But still, they're so cute. I kind of wonder if this is like sponsored for like, cause you can see the logo, Mountain Dew, baby. But I don't know. Probably product placement. Oh, okay, and we win. Literally, we win. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this photo of Jungwoo. I have this in my camera roll. I didn't know it was from the Seoul Photobook. Oh my gosh, and he looks so good. And then this Win-Win. I might just be fangirling over Win-Win this whole video. Maybe a little bit. Cause like I don't have a 127 bias, but like Win-Win's one of my top NCT biases. So yeah. Oh my gosh, really they look so good now. Just this sun-kissed, is that what it's called? Sun-kissed skin? I'm not entirely sure. Oh, and I'm pretty sure this is the cover photo. Yeah. Wait, no. Taeyoung's head is not tilted, but it's close. And sort of. Recently, I also rewatched, like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Taeyong. Who said you could look like this? Oh my gosh, literally. Oh my gosh. Literally, how can not that background. The background, oh my gosh, that background. I'm pretty sure that background has been in so many places. It's on the back of IOI photo cards. So IOI has been there. I'm pretty sure someone said BTS has been there too. Just everyone been to the pizza place. Oh my gosh. Laundry pizza? I'm surprised they both go in like one box, but okay. Oh, it's just like them. Just, they look so good for what? Yo, I knew it. The background, wait, actually, it says laundry pizza. I'm not sure now, but it looks like it. It looks like it. Also, now I want pizza. I'm like getting hungry now. Bro, they look so happy. It's just, they literally look so happy. Oh my gosh. And they look so good too. Oh my gosh, they really. Doyoung, this photo, his smile, just is everything. It is literally everything. Just, oh my gosh, wait, this is heavy. Never mind. I'm good. My upper up. Oh my gosh. Taeyong. What? Oh my gosh, literally. Oh, just. Who let Taeyong look this good? I can't. Oh my gosh. Oh, just. I have no words. Literally. Wow. This is just, wow. It's just, I my gosh. They look so good. They literally look so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, so was this like drip thing like a piece of glass in front of them? Or like, it could be like a piece of paper. Like they just put the drippy paper. I don't know, but it looks kind of like it. I don't know. Oh wait, yeah, it was glass because his hand pressed against it. His smile, I think Tail's smile just makes everyone smile. He looks so cute in that, like really. Oh my gosh. Mark Lee. Oh, we got a new setting. Oh my gosh, Utah. So, what is Jungkook doing? Is he putting a chip in his ear? Chip ear. Okay, but like, they literally look so good though. Really? Really? And then you just heads on. It just also like all their hair looks so good. It's so shiny and beautiful. Just everything. Also, like, if this is a library, I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to be eating. But, go ahead. Is that a book about food? I don't know. Oh my gosh, Haechan. Oh my gosh. They literally... These photos are so high quality and they look so good. They literally look so good. I just can't. Oh my gosh. Literally, I want to frame every single photo in this photo book. Oh my gosh. Literally. Oh my gosh. I can't. I just can't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, Marvel Civil War. Boop. Oh. I can't see quite what that book is, but yeah, I know this is Civil War. That kind of looks like Batman, but I don't want to be wrong. Also, I love how Mark's just like one page into the book. Oh my gosh, Jungwoo smile. Literally, and Utah looks so good here too. Oh my gosh, literally. Oh my gosh, y'all, they are so cute. Also, like, I really do not think eating is allowed in these types of places. At least it's in the US, I don't know. But literally, they look so good. For what? For what? And his earrings, just everything. Oh my gosh. And then Haechan, he looks so cute in this photo, to be honest. He's just so cute. Oh my gosh. They're all so cute, literally. Oh my gosh. My heart. What was... And then Jungkook just, yeah. Whew. I'm like kind of curious what they're drinking. Cause like this looks like a slushy of some sort. I don't know. That could be alcoholic. I don't know. That looks like Minute Maid, like the logo. So I'm guessing it's some sort of slush. But I have no clue. Well, I want to try reading it. I'll try reading it later so that I don't have to torture y'all's ears. Oh. Just like, will these all be verticals? Okay. But like this is, wow, I wonder if this was taken. Like, this is like a really good photo. Oh my gosh, I don't know. How are these all so high quality? Just, it looks so good. And it's, Win smile. Also, is Taylor like saluting of some sort? I'm not entirely sure. But yeah. Oh, the stairs are interesting. Health Korea. Just reading that. Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. I can't. Why are they so cute? It's just everything. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just the vibes. I don't know. They're so. The Haechan and Johnny here, they look. Oh my gosh. They just look like they're having fun. And that makes me so happy. And Win and Doyoung too. Just my heart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. And then Jungwoo here just posing. Love that. They look so good though. They look so good and happy. I just can't. Also, this shade of blue is like really good. Blue is my favorite color, so. Oh my gosh. Okay, Taeyong in this photo though, why does he look so good? Why? Just, how can a human being? Oh my gosh. And Johnny's smile here. Oh my, Larry, his smile. His smile is everything, to be honest. Oh my gosh, please save me. Please. They look so good. For what? Literally, for what? They look too good to be real. Oh my gosh. Those are some big glasses. Oh my. Cooking Japanese? Oh. He's kind of confused what these books are. I'm like interested. Although I know for a fact they aren't reading them. Bread machine, cooking Japanese. I will not torture you with my Korean pronunciation. But I'm not entirely sure what this is. I can't see that. Oh my gosh. The color scheme here. The color scheme. Oh my gosh. Literally, they all just look so good. And the colors in this photo, the vibes, they're everything. I would do anything to have these vibes. Just, they look so happy. Oh my gosh, the vibes, they're just so fun. I can't. Oh my god. Yo. I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, yo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Actually, who are you to this type of, this is, oh my gosh, yo. Oh my gosh. And Win looks so cute in this photo. Really, Mark looks so cute too. And Jungwoo, who let them be this cute? And then, this type of photo, I don't want to like hit the photo book, but like this type of photo, please. I was not expecting this type of photo in the photo book. Oh my gosh. So, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. I can't explain what this type of photo. Oh my gosh, I literally need to process this. Oh my gosh, literally. I need to like catch my breath. Like I didn't even run or anything, just this. These types of photos, please save me. Oh my gosh. Win smile too. Mark's hair looks really good in that. Oh my gosh, save me. Oh my gosh, they look so bright. The way it hangs out looks, it's like, oh my gosh, save me. Oh, whew, whew, whew. Oh my gosh, literally. They look so good. Like, they're so cute. The vibes. The vibes. Please save me. Oh my gosh. Win-win smile. Win-win smile is like, oh my gosh. It's everything. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, they look so good in this. What is with the... Thank you, stylist. Thank you. Just the color scheme, everything. And they look so good. Oh my gosh. They look so happy. And just... I can't. And they look so good. Please save me. Okay, what is with Taeyong looking so good, y'all? You need to like stop looking so good, but like don't stop looking so good. Oh my gosh, literally, oh my gosh, save me. They look so good. This should look the same bandana tails and so I'm guessing some of these outfits are the same because that necklace, oh my gosh, yo, right? Whew. They literally look so good. And they just like, oh my gosh, this photo of Mark. This photo of Mark. I don't know. I don't think I usually see Mark in green a lot, but like he looks really good. Oh my gosh. And his hair, just everything, man. Literally. And that's just, oh my gosh. Honestly, I don't know if this is a popular or unpopular or even an opinion, but I think Haechan looks a really good choice. Anyways, oh my gosh, literally, I'm just dying by their visuals. Oh my gosh, but Utah in a bucket hat though, amazing. I'm kind of biased, just a little bit, I think. Is that like a double flannel situation? But like one is sleeveless and one is like tied around flannel. Let's see as well. Let's see. Oh. They all look so good. Their hair. Oh my gosh, Jung. Hello. Oh my gosh. It is. This photo of Haechan. Oh my gosh. He looks so good in this. Yo, I need to like, oh my gosh. His hair, just everything, just, yes. Thank you, Haechan. Thank you. Oh my gosh, literally. I'm probably taking too long on this, but like, can you blame me? Can you blame me? It's not my fault that looks this good. To be honest, it's just, oh, their expressions, I love it. They look like they're having so much fun. I love that. Oh my gosh, Taeyong. Stop looking so good. Chill. Oh my gosh, literally. I need to breathe. Honestly, I don't know why, but I'm like obsessed with everyone's hair. I'm just, oh my gosh. I love this jacket too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. I was not expecting close-up, like the close-ups, the high quality, and this gigantic photo book, literally. Can I just frame that? Oh my gosh. They literally look like they're having so much fun though. The vibes from this, the vibes. I can't. It just looks, oh. Is it like, I'm kind of curious what this is. Is it like all one piece and like tying the sleeves? Or is it like, I don't know. Oh my gosh, oh, this photo. I don't know. They look really good in this photo. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Maybe it's Do-young's expression. I don't know. But something about it. I love it. And Haejeon, they all look so good. This photo of Do-young. Stop. Literally stop. They look so good. I have another photo I want to frame. To be honest, I want to frame every photo though. But like, they look so good. For what? You know, just the vibes. Just really, the vibes. Oh, they look so good. Just like raising these. I can't explain. They just look so good. I can't. Oh my gosh, Johnny is right here. Y'all need to like chill. Y'all are looking too good, please. My heart. Oh my gosh. Literally. This outfit is so cute though. I just terribly suits it. Oh my gosh, y'all need to stop looking so good, please. Just oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel like I've seen this photo before. I might have. I downloaded a ton of NCT freebies, not photos, to make freebies. Yeah. The one of those pirate ship thingies. Oh my gosh. And they look so happy. Just. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. They literally look so good. They look so happy. They look so happy and cute, please. Oh my gosh, literally. Also, like, I kind of just realized my phone's about to die. So, I'm gonna charge my phone. Be right back. Hello. So, I just literally just plugged in my phone. So, you'll see this shadow, but, you know, it's okay. Literally the vibes from this though. The vibes. I would do anything to have the vibes from this photo book. Just literally they look so cute, please. Oh my gosh, y'all. Please. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Women. Oh my gosh, literally. I think I might need like another 5 minutes just to. Oh my gosh, literally. The vibes, they look so good. They look. Oh my gosh, literally. I can't. Oh my gosh. The vibe, they look so cute and happy. I can't. Literally, they look so good. Oh my gosh. The vibe, you know, they look so good. Is this like one of those like kiddie trains thingies? Those things. They look so good in this. They literally just, the vibes. Mark, he looks so happy in this. I really hope it wasn't hot outside. I really hope it wasn't hot outside when they, because they're all in long sleeves, long pants. But like, Utah in his bucket hat, he looks so good. Oh my gosh. And I just, this photo, they look so happy. Oh my gosh, literally. And then Tony looks so cute in this. Also, like, how is there a hand there? What? How did a hand get there? I'm a little confused because I'm pretty sure this peace sign is Haejeon's. So how did a hand Oh, is that an arm? I was so confused for a second. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, yeah. They look so good in this. I'll literally just... Please save me. They look so good. Oh my gosh, literally. And like the sun in the background just... Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wait, are they jumping or sitting? Oh wait, they're jumping, okay. It kind of looked like they were sitting on the railing. But also that would probably be very dangerous, so like, thank you for jumping. And, okay. Oh my gosh. This type of photo. I can't, like, you know, it's just all focused on the mirror and just the beautiful background, and I can't, oh my gosh. They look so good. Is that a hole in the sweater? Oh, I thought it was just like pink on the, or purple on the inside. But no, there's a hole in the sweater. Interesting. Excuse me? Oh my gosh, literally. He looks so good in this. I love this type of photo where it's just focused on the mirror and it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh my gosh. They look so good. For what? Oh my gosh. This is illegal. I can't. Utah. This is, oh my gosh. They look so good. I can't. And heads on. Just, please save me. Oh my gosh. This kind of looks like a gummy, like on the jacket, but I'm guessing it's like paint. Kind of looks like a gummy to me, at least. Jaehyun. Oh my gosh. This photo. Please save me. This type of photo, I can't. I love this type of photo so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Literally. Save me. Oh my gosh. Literally. They both look so good. I can't. They both look so good for what? Literally. Who let them look this good? Who? This. I can't. Oh, hello, Joe. Literally. And their side profiles, like their side profiles are literally so beautiful too. Oh my gosh, please save me. Oh, that's tweet. This is so cute though. Oh my gosh. Really? It took me a while to read that. I didn't realize. Okay. Who keeps letting Taeyong look this good? Literally. I can't. Just. Oh. Oh my gosh. I need to like frame this photo of Jungwoo. This is just so beautiful. Y'all need to stop being so beautiful, please. Please. Oh my gosh, literally, I can't. Sir. Oh my gosh. Really? Stop looking so good, please. Oh my gosh, literally. I can't with this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. We win. That's it. That's the whole video. Win. Just win. I can't. Just, please. Oh my gosh, I can't. I think just the fact of how big this photo book is and how high quality these photos are, and then this is like basically a poster of Win-Win, and it's beautiful. This is amazing. I'm literally obsessed with like how every member's hair looks though. Like Mark, his hair looks so good in this. Like literally, I can't. Why does everyone's hair look so good? Oh my gosh, literally. They look so good and cute. It just, their smiles, literally. I literally can't. Why do they look so good? Really? Something tells me Jungwoo wrote that. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. They look so good and their writings are so cute. And just everything. Oh, some of the drawings are on the cover. Like I saw this on the cover. So that explains it. Literally, they look so good. They literally, just the vibes from this whole photo book. I can't. They look so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, is this like a DVD? I might have to watch this. I do have to watch this. Because I just know that the vibes from this DVD will be adorable. Just the vibes. I can't, y'all. I can't. They look so good. For what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't, y'all. Vibes from this. My heart. Oh my gosh. Literally. I'm looking back at these again. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Wow. They're just so beautiful. Like, who let them be this beautiful? Please. I can't. Oh my gosh. And this drawing too. It makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. But it's just everything about this photo book just makes me so happy. I'm really glad that I got to unbox it. It's just so beautiful. I don't really own a lot of photo books, so this makes me very happy. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you got this far, thank you. And anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and just please stay safe, happy, and healthy, and have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.
大家好，我是黄仁俊。